In this video, I am going to teach you how to mine on Binance Pool step by step. If you're interested in earning crypto through mining, this is a beginner-friendly way to start. Stay tuned to help you maximize your mining rewards. Let's get started. First, go to Binance.com and sign in using your registered email and password. Make sure your two-factor authentication is enabled to access your dashboard. Then click the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. This will open the main navigation menu. Next, click on More Services. This section contains all of Binance's extended features beyond basic trading. After that, scroll down and tap on Supermine. This will take you to Binance Pool's mining dashboard. And finally, click Start Mining. From here, you'll be guided to set up your mining configuration and connect your miner. That's how you mine using Binance Pool in just a few steps. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy crypto tutorials. See you next time!